Good morning. We are unboxing the AKORD HDMI to micro D type HDMI cable, version 1.4, gold plated, 1080p, 2160p, 1.5 meters. We ordered this to connect a Raspberry Pi to the HDMI port on a TV. We've got a lot of those in the business, and they managed to break the end off one. So ordered this, turned up following day, £4.99 from Amazon, link in the description. Let's have a look at what we've actually got. Okay, tear strip. Finally get the thing out of the bag. We've got HDMI end and the HDMI D. So that should work. I'll take it in on Monday and hopefully that's another problem solved. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.